This is Bev Brown, Director of Customer Success for IHT. This video will demonstrate the step-by-step process of how to gather data for curl-ups and push-ups.
After logging into the Spirit system, go to the tab that is stated Assessments. Next, go to the tab that is labeled New Assessment. Filter by tag, so I'm going to go to FG, which stands for Fitness Gram. I will find the measure that I will be assessing for that class period, which is going to be push-ups as well as curl-ups, then which group. And for this example, I'm going to use the group training. After I have the measures in the group, create an assessment. Select one or the other. For this example, I'm going to put curl-ups first. Tab in the results. After all the results are in, go to the back button. Bring up the second measure for the day. After the assessment is completed, same thing, tab in the results. Go to the assessment tab, and now you're ready for your next class.